Hey, what's going on, guys? In this video we are going to see how to use the if-else statement using Java programming. If-else statement is basically we make a decision, like the computer make the decision. If this is true, print this one. If this is not true, print the other one, like that. Okay, now let's go ahead and see an example for that. First, I'm going to introduce some integer type of variable. Let's put integer test is equal to, let's say, 6. And first I'm going to create if-else statement. So we are going to say if test is, let's say this is equal to 9. Okay, let's equal to 9. I should put equal sign, equal to 9. We know that this is not equal to 9 because this is equal to 6. But if it's equal to 9, print this one. Let's say print, to print this one we put system out println we are going to say yes if it is true. If it's not true, we had to put an else statement for that. So close this curly bracket and else system.out println, copy and paste it right here, and here I'm going to put something else, like this is else. Okay, so this is the if-else statement. Now we know that test is equal to 6. Here if test is 9, print this one, print yes. If it's not, then this is else. So we know that this is not 9 because this is 6, so it should print this is else. Now let's go ahead and run this one. Okay, here something wrong. There's an error showing here. I forgot to put a semicolon. Okay, now let's go ahead and compile and run. Now it's showing this is else. Now for example, if the test is less than 9, because 6 is less than 9, so if I put this one, it should goes under true. True mean if is true, else mean the statement is false. That's why when it goes to else, if the test is less than 9, it means it's true, it should print yes. So let's put that one and see what we are getting. We should get yes. So here you can see we are getting yes. And that's how the if-else statement works. I hope you guys find this video helpful. Thanks for watching, and if you are trying to learn Java programming, there are a bunch of videos in my playlist. I hope you guys watch that too. And if you are trying to access these codes, it's in my blogger. I put the link of my blogger in the description, so you can go ahead and access them. Thanks for watching. See you next time.